can off of Craigslist for my sled. This is a 99 Doo MXZ 500. I just want to get something a little bit different, so this video will show how to get this out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off these two springs, one here and one on the back side, and then to get this out you're going to want to pull that way on the can and this way on the pipe, and they'll separate. So then once you get to here, you can just pull it up so it's out of the way a little bit. So the next thing you want to do, on the back side of the can there's two bolts. Those need to come out. They should be a 13 mil, and they're little grommets on the back side, so it might be hard to get them out. So then after you got that 13 mil bolt out, the next thing you want to do is pop off this grommet. Easy way to do that, you can slide it in the middle there and pull up, or on the back side and pull up. So then once you get that grommet out, the can should just be able to pull out. So there you can see that I'm getting it out. It's easiest to pull it out right through there. That seems to be where the most amount of room is. This here is a little bit of a difference in between sizes of the new one and the old one. So the new one's quite a bit smaller and weighs quite a bit less. So the first thing we're going to do when we put it back in is put it in the exhaust port in the bottom and line up the stud. And then, considering I only have one stud, I'm going to make sure I tighten this one down pretty good. So then the next thing we're going to do is lower this back down, slide that in and put the springs back on. So as you can see, there's actually quite a long ways that this spring has to go. And one really good method that I've used is getting the rope, your starter rope, from your toolkit and looping it through one end of the spring and pulling it. Not only does this work good down when you, a situation like this where you don't have a lot of tools, but also if you're out on the trail and something like this were to happen where you need to change stuff. So right in the middle of me trying to put that spring in, I noticed that all of a sudden this thing got really loose, and it turns out that those things actually don't have studs on them, but it's this disc that sits in that rubber grommet. So this is what that stud, or whatever you want to call it, looks like. And it looks like that smaller section fits right into there, but doesn't appear to be staying in. Here's what I was talking about with the whole string. Then you just pull like this and latch it around the other end. So what I ended up doing was actually drilling through the rubber grommets, and I ended up just sticking a 5/16 bolt through there. You know, this probably isn't the proper way, but they were $40 a piece, each new, so I really didn't feel like paying that. So this is an easier way to go for it.